Bless up. Welcome guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, as you know, Sunday, so wash day. Car look kinda dirty, wheel them filthy wash man. Yeah man, so I'll try to get a wash on the car now, but I don't even know no yo, them car wash nowadays in a Kingston. Yo, I'm gonna search one right? Alright, so me have a little red and black mat on the thing here. Get a sponsor. And yo, me have to big up Chambers, Chris Chambers. Man go away and him say, yo, over love him red, So him see the mat and I say, yo, man bring back for me, so. But just have to big him up. Big up Chambers, Chris Chambers. Yeah man, Christopher Chambers. Big up, yo. Love the mat, man. I mean I tell you say the mat, yeah. Solid, yo. I love respect you. Alright, so we're gonna do a wash on the car now. Still have to get it wash and clean up, shine up the machine. Guys, I'm in suspicious of something happening to the car here. It just look like, I feel like the clutch now really fire right. A while ago I leave home and yeah. Something wrong with the clutch, guys. Something wrong with my clutch. A while ago, I leave home and I couldn't get the car in a reverse. And so does first gear. I couldn't get in a first gear. So I don't know what's happening right now. Yeah, something wrong. Anyway, I say I can't get the car washed and clean up. But something definitely going on with the clutch here. Come to a stop sign up there, so I have to move off in a second a while ago. I couldn't go in at first. Same thing again. So, guys, when I'm driving, the car feel like, when you over rev something sometime and you hear it sing out? Yeah, like the clutch. Seems like the clutch burning, because I'll smell it too. And as I said, I can't go in first gear. And when I stop the car, turn off the car, put it in first gear, then yeah, I can start and move off. However, once the car starts, I can't get it. Into first gear, and it's like it's struggling. I don't know what's happening, but like right now, I really can't get it in reverse at all. So I get it in first and I'm barely moving because it seems like it's stalling, so I'm going to just park on the side here and see what's happening. Well, tell me say the car wash thing done now. Alright, so no guys, something wrong. Can't get it into reverse at all. So second, that is third, it's not going in first, it's not going in reverse. So seems like my clutch is toast. Yeah, one of them days, guys, you know, you have a car that is over 20 years, you know, you're gonna find things happening to it all on an often regular basis. Well, you know, I changed the clutch in this car about a year ago. It wasn't a performance clutch I put back in the car. Just one of them like a regular, I don't think it is one stage, just a regular stock aftermarket clutch. It's going a year now that I changed the clutch. So let's hope it's something simple. I'm not ruling out maybe what's happening in the master cylinder, but everything else is changing, so I don't know. What do you think, guys? Anyway, I need to check it out. Alright, I'm gonna go get something. Guys, I can't even do anything on the road right now, but I'm looking at my slave cylinder. I don't know, I'm gonna check that to see if it's working properly. When I get home back, I'll do that. I know I had a problem with the bushing one time, which I replaced the one over there, and this one I kind of do a makeshift, so it was shifting okay. Now what I'm feeling, guys, I really think it's a clutch. I really think it's a clutch. Right? I really think it's a clutch because the smell that I'm getting, it smells like when the clutch burn. Yeah. Alright, guys, based on how the car is feeling right now, I don't think I'm gonna go search for a car wash again. The car is filthy, especially the wheels, but I'm gonna head home back and see what's happening. Guys, let's hope that I can reach home. I can't reverse and I can't go in first gear. Smell the clutch, guys. It smells like it burning. So you know, say finish. Clutch done. I better just try it home. But yeah, guys, you know, when you drive a standard vehicle, you know when you get certain little symptom, you know, right? If you drive a standard, you'll understand what I'm saying. When you when your clutch is going or it burn, usually at some point when you're driving and you're into a gear and you depress your gas, you don't normally expect to get a certain movements from the vehicle. But when you do that now, like, you hear that? You hear me talk about? Like, you press it. But instead of getting the power you're supposed to get, what you do get this now is like a over rev. Understand? So when you get an over rev there, even when you put down the gas, you know say the clutch has slipped. The clutch burn out. So that is it, guys. I just need to look for a performance clutch online. And not, to be honest with you, I bought this clutch about a year ago, or probably a little bit over a year ago, and it wasn't any performance clutch as such. I bought it from an auto parts place, and it was just the normal standard clutch, right? So to move on from here now, you see, guys, I have to end up with the car in second. I don't just want to take the chance of going across this because it just now move, See it? Now move, clutch now move, guys. Alright, get better this. Clutch just now move, guys. You see it sometimes, like I get a little blind a while ago, we could even send it across the light because it just now move. You understand? I mean, I smell the clutch, I burn like crazy. See hear that, guys? So, while I had the suspicion of the clutch from a few days now, guys, I really thought that it would have probably, carry me through for a longer period. I wasn't really thinking that it was the clutch that finished so much, But as I go, we just have to do what we have to do. And to be honest with you, I was enjoying the car. I really think I beat on this car a lot, guys. Yeah, man, I think I beat on this car hard. Because even sometimes babes will say to me, say, yo, you drive the car hard, no babe? Yeah, but you see them kind of car, yeah, man, you have to put the rev in them, and run them. So, know about yourself, even though I'm a baby, you still have to rough it up sometimes. And when you rough it up, you have to expect certain things. And it's just all about the sports game of the car. You enjoy your car and just deal with it when you have to deal with it. Alright? The good thing about it, from the other day, my car I run good. The engine, let me say, I run perfectly good, Love how it deal with me from the other day. So, I'm not really complain, I'm not really ball. I'm just source a proper clutch. Yeah. Yeah, guys, and so it takes me home now for the restoration period. It's gonna take a while because you have to order them thing up online. Take about 2 weeks, 1 to 2 weeks. So in the meantime, I probably can just go and drop the box, and wait for the process. But I'm going now. I'm gonna source some clutch. Probably go with a 3-stage because honestly, as I say, I beat on the car hard. So I think I'll put in a 3-stage clutch in it and see if we can get some better performance out of it. Alright? Yeah, so the car, as I said, clutch is toast right now, but it bring me home. So so the next step, guys, is to do some work on it, get it up again and enjoy the car. Right? If you reach this far in the video, guys, bless up. Thank you again for watching, and see you in the next one.